Number 21, we're supposed to solve the equation. We've got 4/3 times the quantity 7 minus n equals 12. Now normally we'd say, distribute 4/3 here and distribute 4/3 here, but distributing a fraction is just going to create a big mess. So the trick to these, instead of distributing the fraction, think of trying to get this group of things by itself first. So how could we get rid of a times 4/3? Well, the inverse of times is to divide by 4/3, but dividing by a fraction is tough, so instead we KFC it, which basically, remember, is our trick for multiplying by the reciprocal. So instead of dividing by 4/3, we're going to times it by the reciprocal. And the reason we do that is the 4's canceled then and the 3's canceled then, leaving just that group of things inside 7 minus n. But we have to remember, if we multiply the left side by 3/4, we also have to do it to the right side. 12 as a fraction is like 12 over 1. We could say that 12 and 4 reduces to 3 and 1. So what do we have? 3 times 3 over 1 times 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we're getting into our fence posting steps. This isn't a minus 7, it's a minus n. In front of the 7 is like a positive 7. So we need to subtract 7 from both sides. We get negative n equals 2. And then we can think of it as a fence post step. I don't want negative n, I want positive n. So I want to flip this symbol, but if I flip this side, I need to flip this side. And really the in-between step there that we don't see is this is a negative 1n. So to get rid of a times negative 1, you divide by negative 1. The negative 1's cancel, you get the n by itself. 2 divided by negative 1, that's where you get that negative 2 from.